It would be really nice if you would like and subscribe to the channel. Please like and subscribe.
This just came in. And I'm just going to show you each one. Oh, they're rubbery. I thought they were metallic. They're rubbery. All right, that's cool. So I purchased this as a gift. And we'll see how the person likes them. There's supposedly 40 of them in here. So let me set them up and then go down the line so I can show you each and every single one. Okay, this is all 40 of them. Let me get my thumbnail shot. And let's go through them one by one so you can see, close up. Each and every single one. Let me go through it. They're so cute, especially for cat lovers. I have a cat lover that I'm giving this to. And I want to see how they are going to react so that you get an idea of how maybe your cat lover will definitely react. I think they're all cute. Again, they're rubbery. They're not metal. I thought they were metal, but I guess for the price. Yeah, they're all rubbery, which is cool. And you pull this out, it has a metal pin. This is rubber as well. That's the way it looks. And then you put it here, and that's it, and you're done. These are so cute. So let me get my cat lover and show it to her. And I hope this was a close-up look enough. I think you can zoom with the video, so you should be able to zoom in. And so that you know what you're going to end up getting. I think they're cute. And for the money, I think they were well worth it. All right, let me get the cat lover. Okay, the cat lover closed her eyes and she's going to open them now.
Yeah. Whoa. Oh, these look so cool. Aww.
You like them? There's 40 of them to choose from.
Oh, I love them.
Do you see how they're rubbery?
Yeah, they're like rubber.
You want to put them back in the package?
Yeah.
Okay, it's a definite win with the cat lover. She loves them. Now she's going to go and put them in her book bag and everywhere else that she puts in it. Awesome. I'm glad. Do you see how rubbery they are and everything? Okay. It's thumbs up here. Okay, you want to say bye?
Bye.
Bye.
Please like and subscribe to my dad's channel.